You thought it was approved. It wasn't. Now the work has to be redone. Most workplace delays don't happen because of poor execution. They happen because no one clearly asked for confirmation. In this video, you'll learn how to ask for confirmation and approval, clearly and professionally, without sounding unsure or pushy. Stay until the end to practice the key phrases out loud. Today, we will practice asking for confirmation or approval at work.
Stay with us till the end and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
Harry has updated a proposal. Before moving forward, he needs clear approval. Let's see how he handles it. All right, Harry, walk me through the update.
Sure, there are two main changes. First, we've extended the timeline by 1 week. Second, we've adjusted the pricing to reflect additional requirements from the client. Before I take any next steps, I'd like to confirm both points with you.
Good. Let's go through them.
Regarding the timeline, can I confirm that the 1-week extension is approved from leadership's perspective?
Yes, that's been discussed and approved.
Great. I'll inform the team today. Now about pricing. Finance reviewed the numbers, but I haven't seen final sign-off yet. Can you confirm whether we have formal approval?
Finance has reviewed it positively, but written approval hasn't been issued.
Understood. Would you prefer that I wait before sending the revised proposal to the client?
Yes, let's wait for written confirmation.
That makes sense. I'd rather avoid sending something that might need to be revised again.
Exactly.
Just to summarize, timeline approved, pricing pending written confirmation. Is that correct?
Yes, that's accurate.
Perfect. I'll proceed internally and hold off externally for now. Alice, Finance just sent written approval. I've updated the proposal accordingly. Before I send it to the client, may I have your final confirmation? I want to make sure everything aligns with our internal agreement.
Let me review it. Give me a minute.
Of course.
Everything looks consistent. You're approved to send it.
Thank you. I'll proceed. Hi Alice, there's one more point I'd like to clarify. The client is asking if we can accelerate delivery by a few days. It's possible, but it will increase pressure on the team. Before I respond, can I confirm whether we're comfortable committing to that?
What would be the impact?
Higher workload, but manageable if we prioritize carefully.
In that case, we can agree conditionally. We commit to earlier delivery, as long as no additional scope is introduced.
Understood. So just to confirm, we accept the accelerated timeline with the current scope only?
Correct.
Thank you for clarifying. I'll communicate that clearly so expectations are managed.
Oh, Harry, I notice you always confirm before committing.
Yes, I've learned that unclear approval creates unnecessary risk. If something isn't confirmed explicitly, it can easily be questioned later.
That's true. Clear confirmation protects both sides.
Exactly. It ensures alignment, reduces assumptions, and helps everyone move forward confidently.
Now it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat out loud. Can I confirm that this has been approved? Before proceeding, may I have your final confirmation? Just to ensure we're aligned. So, to confirm, we proceed under the current scope only. We'll wait for written sign-off before moving forward. Just to summarize, timeline approved, pricing confirmed. Great work! Asking for confirmation is not about hesitation. It's about professionalism. Clear approval prevents rework, protects accountability, and builds trust. Come back later today and shadow this again. And if you want to communicate clearly and confidently at work, subscribe for more daily workplace English. See you in the next lesson.